Some brand new 2026 cars are sitting on dealer lots, while others are flying out the door. Robert here, and the data will shock you. A big discount can feel like a win, but repairs, depreciation, insurance, and fuel costs can take that money right back. At the end of this video, I will show you the real buying formula that helps you avoid bad deals and pick a car that protects your money. Smash that subscribe button before we start. Brand new cars nobody wants. Number 5. Audi S6. The Audi S6 is one car nobody wants in 2026. Audi has fully discontinued the S6 sedan in America this year. For many years, the S6 was the sporty version of the A6, with a strong twin-turbo V6 engine. But buyers stopped paying its high price. The old S6 cost about $10,000 more than the new A6, and most drivers said the regular A6 felt nearly the same on the road. Edmunds even called the outgoing S6 underwhelming for a dedicated S model. On top of that, Audi as a brand is going through its worst time in over a decade. Audi US sales dropped 14% in 2024 and 16% in 2025. In the first quarter of 2026, Audi moved only 29,886 vehicles in America, a 30% year-over-year decline. With sales falling everywhere, the S6 became too risky for Audi to keep on the price sheet. Dealers were left with units they could not move, even with steep discounts. Used 2024 S6 models are already sitting on lots, with prices near $76,000, showing how fast the value has dropped. Today, the S6 name has quietly left US showrooms. If you still want that S6 feel, you must now pay for a costly A6 Sport Plus package instead. Price: $76,000. Number 4. Audi A6. The new 2026 Audi A6 has a serious price problem. The base model puts it head-to-head with four-cylinder rivals like the BMW 530i and the Mercedes-Benz E350. But if you want the popular Sport Plus package, it is only available on the top Prestige trim, pushing the real-world price close to $80,000. That is luxury class money for a sedan critics say is not even very sporty. While the A6 did post a small sales gain in early 2026, the rest of the Audi lineup is shrinking fast. Audi told a US court it expects to sell only around 144,000 cars in America in 2026, a 37% drop from its record year of 2023. Audi has also pushed through several price increases for the 2026 model year because of new US tariffs and no American factory. Buyers are now paying more for a brand losing trust and resale value at the same time. BMW, in contrast, set a new US record in 2025 with 388,897 vehicles sold. Core Audi SUVs like the Q3, Q5, and Q7 all saw double-digit sales drops in early 2026, showing the pain is spread across the whole lineup. Even the A6's small win cannot hide that the whole Audi house is falling around it. Price: $65,395. Number 3. Volkswagen ID4. The Volkswagen ID4 has gone from rising EV star to total flop in less than a year. In the first quarter of 2026, VW sold only 338 ID4s in all of America, a stunning 95.6% drop from the same time in 2025. Just 2 years before that, the ID4 hit a peak of 37,789 US sales in 2023. The reason is simple. The $7,500 federal EV tax credit ended in late 2025, and without it, the ID4 became too costly for most buyers. Rivals are far cheaper. The Tesla Model Y Standard now costs around $40,000, and the Hyundai Ioniq 5 starts even lower. The damage was so deep that Volkswagen announced it will stop building the ID.4 at its Chattanooga, Tennessee plant in April 2026, which could trigger a $480 to $600 million write-down. Workers are being moved to gas-powered models like the new Atlas. VW even canceled the cheapest ID.4 trim for 2026, raising the entry price by about $5,100 and pushing more buyers away. Dealers are now slashing prices on the few remaining units just to clear them off the lots. Would you still buy an EV that lost 96% of its sales? Share your honest view in the comments below. Price: $45,095. Number 2. Audi Q4 e-Tron. The Audi Q4 e-Tron is another EV that US buyers have walked away from in 2026. Audi reported a more than 90% sales drop for the Q4 e-Tron and its sportback version in the first quarter of 2026. The price is the first big problem. The 2026 Q4 e-Tron is offered in Premium and Premium Plus trims, and the sportback version costs about $3,000 more. For that money, buyers get only modest driving range. The Q4 45 e-Tron returns 288 miles of range, while the Q4 55 e-Tron manages just 258 miles, far off from today's newest EVs. The Q4 e-Tron also shares its parts with the Volkswagen ID.4. Both cars have had their share of reliability issues and recalls over the years, so buyers are paying premium luxury money for an EV with short range, older 2022 technology, and a poor reliability record. With the federal EV tax credit gone, dealers are sitting on units they cannot move even with deep discounts. The Q4 e-Tron also faces stiff competition from the same Audi Q5 gas SUV, which costs less and remains the brand's best seller. It is a clear example of why a luxury badge alone cannot save a slow-selling EV in today's hard market. Price: $51,895. Number 1. Nissan Murano. The 2026 Nissan Murano is a car many US buyers are skipping, and the data shows why. After a full redesign in 2025, the 2026 model is almost the same. The bigger problem is what it does not have: a hybrid option. Toyota reports that electrified vehicles now make up 47% of its US sales, while Honda says such vehicles account for a third of its 2025 output. The Honda CR-V alone sold over 400,000 units, and 54% of that came from hybrid models. The Murano still uses only a turbo 2.0-liter gas engine, making 241 horsepower. Consumer Reports tested it and got only 21 miles per gallon overall, and called the power delivery unpredictably lurchy, with noticeable hesitation at low speeds. That is weak fuel economy for a family SUV in 2026. The price has also climbed sharply across all trims, with a loaded Platinum crossing well over $50,000. Kelley Blue Book also reports its resale value is below average for the segment. Nissan is only now bringing its first US plug-in hybrid Rogue in 2026, which shows just how far behind the brand has fallen on electrification. Buyers see a Murano that costs more, drinks more fuel, and loses value faster than its rivals. Has Nissan lost your trust this year? Drop your honest answer below. Price: $41,470 that are actually worth buying. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The 2026 Honda CR-V is a smart, safe buy, and the numbers prove it. The Honda CR-V sold over 400,000 units in America in 2025, with 54% of those being the hybrid version. Buyers are picking it up fast. New CR-Vs sit on dealer lots for only about 20 days on average. The hybrid version returns up to 40 miles per gallon combined, which means real savings at the pump. At $3 per gallon, a CR-V hybrid driver saves about $30 every month compared to the gas-only version, plus about 10 fewer trips to the gas station each year. Honda's reliability record shines here, too. Kelley Blue Book gives this generation of CR-V an above-average owner reliability rating of 4.6 out of 5, and resale values stay above average for the class. The 2026 model also adds a new Trail Sport hybrid trim, a bigger 9-inch standard touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and standard wireless phone charging. Car and Driver has also honored the CR-V with a record 710 Best Trucks and SUVs awards over the years, showing its long history of quality. For a family SUV that mixes low running costs, top safety, and proven Honda quality, the CR-V keeps winning year after year. Price: $32,370. Number 2. Toyota Camry. The 2026 Toyota Camry has quietly become one of the smartest buys on the US market. Toyota now sells the Camry only as a hybrid, and that one choice has paid off in a big way. The fuel economy is the real headline. The LE returns an EPA estimated 52 miles per gallon city and 49 miles per gallon highway for 51 miles per gallon combined, among the best of any non-electric sedan in America. Front-wheel drive Camrys make 225 horsepower, while all-wheel drive Camrys get a slight bump to 232 horsepower. Toyota also adds peace of mind. The 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty is one of the longest in the segment, and Toyota is ranked first by CarEdge among all brands, holding 64.9% of its residual value on average over 5 years. Kelley Blue Book calls the Camry the best in its class for resale value. Every Camry also comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Cars.com owners also rate the 2026 Camry a perfect 5 out of 5 for reliability, which is a rare score in any class today. The Camry mixes savings, safety, and long-term value better than almost any sedan on sale today. Is the Camry still the smartest sedan to buy in 2026? Let us know in the comments. Price: $29,100. Number 1. Honda Civic Hybrid. The 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid is the top buy on this list, and the awards make it clear why. The 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid earned Edmunds' top-rated car recognition for the second year in a row, and the Civic is the most honored model in North American Car of the Year history, with a record 4 wins. The Civic Hybrid is powered by a 200-horsepower hybrid 4-cylinder engine, more power than the lively Civic Si, paired with an eCVT automatic transmission. It returns up to 50 miles per gallon city, 47 miles per gallon highway, and 49 miles per gallon combined. Honda added extra sound deadening to the hybrid version, helping to drown out some of the noise that is still inherent in hybrids. Reliability is strong, too. Kelley Blue Book gives this generation Civic Hybrid an above-average reliability rating of 4.2 out of 5, with class-leading resale value. Every 2026 Civic comes standard with Honda Sensing Safety Tech, adaptive cruise control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. U.S. News & World Report also named the Civic best compact car for the money, proving it wins on price and value at the same time. For under $30,000, you get a compact car that saves fuel, holds its value, and lasts for years. Real value in today's market. Price: $29,395 US. Real buying formula. Before buying any brand new car, use this simple formula. Discount plus reliability plus resale value plus insurance plus fuel cost. A car with a $6,000 discount is not automatically a smart buy if it loses value quickly, costs more to insure, or becomes hard to sell later. On the other hand, a Honda, Toyota, or proven hybrid may have a smaller discount but save more over time. Kelley Blue Book's 2026 resale value reporting showed Toyota leading mainstream brands for projected 5-year value retention, which is exactly why many smart buyers still trust Toyota when the market gets confusing. So that is your honest look at the 5 2026 cars buyers are avoiding and the 3 that truly protect your money. Run every deal through the buying formula before you sign anything. If this saved you from a costly mistake, hit subscribe right now and stay one step ahead.